adie, fisebule. Réaliser, fisebule. Réaliser, fisebule. Deulana mamana. Deulana yamana.
Welcome back. Just a little bit of update in our way in Vietnam. And also today, we took the train from Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City, to Da Nang. We started from 9 p.m. in the night, arriving at 4 p.m. Vietnamese time in Da Nang. It was a beautiful ride. I love it. My family love it. But you know, sometimes there will be up and downs. But the train ride is an experience. If you visit Vietnam, you need to do it. I'm a typical African guy. I don't be around the village living in Australia. But I love it. I love the scenery. I love the people. And I love everything about this country. We are beautiful people. And the food, number one, top notch. I love the banh mi. Don't forget, guys, please subscribe, share the video, like. Tell me why you think about me. Because I'm always on the road. I'm always traveling. Sorry, I'm always traveling. Despite the ups and downs, I'm always traveling. So we are arriving at our destination soon, and you're gonna see the next phase of this Southeast Asia travel vlog. I love you all. And tell me where you're watching the video from. You're watching from America, you're watching from Europe, you're watching from Africa, you're watching from the continent. I don't know which continent, the continent down under. Subscribe to this channel and you'll see more of this beautiful video and travel vlog. Thank you guys, stick around and keep watching. I love you all.
Adieu. Adieu, 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 fisebule. Réaliser, fisebule. Réaliser, fisebule.
I love you all. And tell me where you're watching the beautiful.